Hey guys, welcome to SocialNet. In today's video, I will show you how you can change or reset password in Instagram account. In case you want to create a new password or have forgotten the existing one, here's a step-by-step video to help you reset or change your password. In order to change password in Instagram, you need to go to your profile by tapping onto the profile icon which is on the right bottom hand side corner. Once you're into your profile, you can see the three horizontal lines which are right next to your profile. Click onto that. Tap on settings. In the sub-menu, you will spot security. Tap on it. So once you have tapped on it, the first option you will see here is password. You need to go to the password, and in the current password, you type in the password you used to log into your Instagram account. Here you type the new password you will use to log in next time. Type it again in order to confirm, and once you have typed in your password, you can just tap onto the blue tick that's on the top right corner, and you would have successfully changed your password for Instagram. And in case you have forgotten your existing password, then you can always reset it using your email address, phone number or Facebook account. So if your account was previously linked with Facebook, you can just click on continue with Facebook option and continue using your Instagram. Or you can tap on the forget password option, which directs you to the trouble login page. Here you have to enter your email, phone number or username so that the company would be able to send link to the respective user. So once I type in my number, I tap onto the send login link. Now you can see the company has sent me link. Go to the link and tap on it so that it directs you to the password resetting page. Here you type in the new password you want to use it, and the next time you log in, type it again just to confirm it and tap on change password. Once it's done, you have successfully reset your password to your Instagram account. Now you can enjoy using your Instagram, logging into your account with the new password. So that's it for today guys. I hope you liked that video. Don't forget to hit the like button if it was helpful. Subscribe the channel for more videos like this and keep updated. Bye bye.